Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download QuickBooks application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. First, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data and open your Play Store. Go to the search box at the very top and type in QuickBook and press the search button. Find a tab on the application that says QuickBooks Accounting Invoice and Expenses app. This was the app that we are looking for. Simply tap on the install button to begin the downloading process for the app. QuickBooks is an accounting software package developed and marketed by Intuit. If you download the application for your mobile devices, then you'll be able to run your entire business from your mobile application, instantly access your QuickBooks data on your mobile device much more easier. Once the application gets downloaded, it'll take a while to be installed on your Android. Wait until it does soon after it is completed. You should see an open button popping up in green. If you tap it on, you'll be able to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download QuickBooks mobile application for your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.